un partido importantísimo, la opción de meterse de nuevo en semifinales, que se dice pronto, de la Copa de la UEFA, el conjunto de Mendilibar. Después de...
Dale precisión, no toque el palo.
Yes, I think we are defensively. We are good. We have, I think, the most clean sheets in the Premier League. So our organization, I think, is all over the pitch is quite good. And attacking, we should have scored more goals, during the whole season. But I'm confident, and you see the last couple of games, especially when we have all the players on board.
We let them in the game. I think the first game, I think we had good control in the first 1 hour of the game, but fear from them. I mean, they of course have a lot of different coaches in the season, which we've seen, but now they're starting to win games and being a bit of a safer spot. So not what we fear. I mean, they're very direct. They're in good shape. They have some very good players and some very good individually players. So I fear a bit of everything.